Hello guys, welcome to another video here from Thailand. I'm still in the city of Lampang. I'm loving it here and we're on our way to another great adventure. So let's go! In the last video I ended up at a little nice market where they sold all kinds of ceramics and I kind of liked it. So I checked online and I found out that there is a ceramic museum in town. The chicken is there, so let's go and have a look, shall we? Oh cool. Wow, they have the mosaics there, kind of mosaics with don't know if you can walk on here, probably not. Saechin. Ah, sorry crap. I think that's the... Oh, look. Very nice. They made the fountain with the plates, with the chicken. Sorry crap. I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
One ticket for me.
Next visit will be at 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Yes.
Oh, but and there's a tour.
Yes.
It's with a tour.
Yes.
Ah,
the
okay.
Next one is 3
What time is it now? 3 p.m. It's now.
Past
Oh,
2.
so 45 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Then I'll wait. I'll wait a little bit.
How many people of you?
Only me.
Just one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. While you're waiting, you want to go to another place that we have kind of workshop as well.
Workshop. Okay.
It's,
Oh, for painting.
Just painting.
Ah,
and have
okay.
Like aircon and it's nice and cool.
Aircon is good.
And you can come here at 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.
We will.
Okay. Okay, so you have to book a tour for the museum. And then it's about all the history of the ceramics and the founder and things like that. I thought it is like a workshop and a museum in one, and you're gonna do like a tour and stuff like that. It's different. So let's go have a look at the workshop, see what there's to do. Check this out, this noodle bowl, how big this is. Oh, jeetje kreetje. Pretty cool. Nice, this logo with the chicken. It's a little bit like, the chicken is also a little bit like Spanish or Portuguese, I think. Reminds me of there. This beautiful mosaics, this. Yeah, really cool.
There's another side too.
Oh wow, here, yeah. Also cool. With the bowls in the wall. Really nice. Hand painted. I think that's the founder, I guess, of the... Maybe he designed the chicken. Nice. Okay, let's check out the workshop. Guys, this is the workshop, so you can choose of all these things to paint, but as you can see it's not really popular here, so I'm just gonna wait for the how do you say that, for the museum to be open. And this is the shop they have bought all the ceramics here, so most of the stuff is with the chicken you see everywhere. Where is it? Where is it? I cannot see it. Oh, here, yeah. You see chicken. Okay, let's go outside. Oh, look on the big bowl. There's a couple people that are buying for hundreds of kilos, I think, plates and bowls and everything. I have to say it's pretty cool, the bowls and the the plates with the chicken, but not for me. I only have a small backpack, so cannot carry around stones and all this heavy stuff. All cool things for at home. These are coasters. Cool. This one is cool, like a vase. Nice. Don't know what this is. The oil. Anyways, let's go outside and wait for the museum. Let's check out what there is to do around this famous ceramic museum of Lampang. I'm constantly saying Lampang because that's how you say it. That's how the locals told me. That's how you say Lampang, not Lampang, Lampang, Lampang. So that's how I'm saying it. Of course. They're building a new temple here. Oh, some pigeons living in there. A new temple. Wow. A nice little one. Guys, there are so many temples here in Thailand. It's amazing. Seriously. It's awesome. They're all beautiful. They all have something special. I'm not gonna go to every temple I see because that would you cannot even do that. But yeah, it's nice. It's really nice. So maybe some monks are living here. Maybe this is like a monastery. Oh, there's a workout station here. Let's check that out. You have these all over Thailand, in parks, random places for just the locals to work out. So everybody can go to the gym for free. This one is a little bit outdated, a little bit old, but you can see you can do all kinds of exercises. This crosswalker, pretty awesome. This is a really old one. Most of them are really new. Okay, let's go back to the museum and take the tour. Let's learn about the history of ceramics here in Thailand. Let's go. Hello. One ticket, please.
100 baht, please.
100 baht. Okay.
How do you find out this place, sir?
Internet. Yeah.
Internet.
Just from the internet. Yeah. Internet's very handy.
Yeah. Thank
100
you.
baht. Here you go.
Thank you. That's the ticket. Me.
Yes. Okay. Okay, let's wait here. These big plates are really cool. I don't know where people use them for, but they're pretty cool.
So we use a bicycle wheel and plaster to make the molds.
Like this.
We prepare the clay in the mold and molds and placed by wood.
Looks kind of.
It looks easy to
It looks,
but it's difficult.
yeah.
You need to know how to put with the weight. Otherwise you get like too thin or too thick.
Yeah, it has to be the same size. Yeah.
Yes, this one she cut out the.
Okay, so originally the leg of the ball is to hold it there to prevent
to hold like this.
that you will burn your hand. Yeah. Okay. That's a good one.
Yes, they hold like this. That's why when they eat.
To prevent that they burn the hands. Yeah.
Yes.
Oh wow.
Why
Yeah.
they eat.
That's good to know.
after we firing the products, we paint chicken. The color we use from the natural night.
So the oven is 24 meters long,
Yes.
and they put the fire there, like a big fire,
Big
at the
fire
beginning,
in the beginning first, and the bottom.
and then the
start-
heat will go
going
up and
to
up
the
and
high.
up.
And then we put
And
next we put bamboo to fire one by one. Yes, you can see the light there.
oh, for extra
We
fire.
call it the eye, and we can see the light because before you can't control the heat.
No.
So you can see the light from yellow, red, and orange, red, and then yellow, and then white. So when it white, that's mean ready. So you cover it and then firing another.
Wow.
And this dragon kill, we have no original sweet bowl place that Apai he built.
So the sweet balls, guys, are these small balls
Yes,
which you use for sauce, eh?
sauce.
Sauce.
And the sweet bowl.
Sweet ball, yeah,
And
for sweets.
the small cup that Chinese they use for drink tea, like this one, and they put
Oh,
the sweet in there too.
Oh, okay. Wow. So you can see there's like tens of thousands of these sweet balls. You've probably seen them before. There's these little balls you put the sauce in
Yes,
at the restaurant or somewhere, huh?
yes.
Yeah.
Like that. And the one. And
This is the finished product, yeah.
And this is finished product. This is for the grace water. You use the grace water after you got the sweet bowl, right?
Yeah.
And then she will put.
Okay guys, that was the end of the tour here in the museum, the ceramic museum. It's pretty interesting actually. So Mr. Abai over there, he came from China, I think to escape communism or something like that, like in 1911 or sooner. First he went to Vietnam, then he went to Thailand. In some kind of way he worked at a ceramic factory first, then he became a gardener, and then he set up his own ceramic factory here in Lampang, right on this spot where the museum is. So he built the oven, which is pretty impressive, the dragon kill. Then he built another one there as well. Basically he sold his company to a big company in Bangkok, and then he started his own company again in the ceramics, and eventually ended up making the sweet balls, or the little balls I just showed you, that we still use. That you probably everybody uses that for like the sauce if you're gonna eat somewhere or a restaurant. So yeah, that's basically it. And people are very gracious here, or proud about Mr. Abai, because he kind of made Lampang famous for the ceramics, and he's just an artist who they appreciate. Okay, with that having said, end of the video. I'm going back to the hostel. It's been a long day, and yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.